Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put Toyota Camry in service mode. Full guide. To enter service mode, turn the ignition to on without starting the engine, press and hold the odometer reset button, cycle the ignition off and then back on while holding the button, and release when the service menu appears on the display. Use the steering wheel buttons to navigate and follow prompts slowly to avoid accidental resets or setting changes. Once in service mode, navigate menus using the steering wheel arrow keys and the OK button to select items for inspection or reset. Take your time and confirm each choice visually on the display before proceeding. If a reset is required for oil or maintenance reminders, follow the on-screen prompts and verify the change succeeded. Keep a note of original settings in case you need to revert later. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more useful videos and tips. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker is handy for podcasts, timers, and voice commands while you work on your car, so it pairs nicely with hands-free tasks. Check the description for the product link and other deals to grab one if you like the sound of it, and now let's get back to the video. To exit service mode, select the exit option if available or switch the ignition off and then on again to return to normal operation. Always prioritize safety by ensuring the vehicle is parked, the parking brake is set, and you have adequate lighting. If you are unsure about a procedure, stop and consult the owner manual or a professional technician. Small mistakes can trigger warnings or require diagnostic tools to clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.